Okay, so next is nodal analysis. Okay, so nilagyan natin ng mga dependent sources. So find IO. So same pa din. So nodal analysis yung gagamitin natin na method. So lagay muna tayo ng mga node voltages. Then lagyan tayo ng current direction. So pakanan tsaka pababa lang yung nilalagay natin para may pattern tayo. So I1, so may IO na dito. I2, tsaka I3. And so from this, magkakatak na tayo ng KCL. So KCL at node B1. So lumabas si IO, si 4, saka si I1. So IO plus I1 plus 4. Okay, so equals to 0. Express natin yung current in terms of node voltages. So IO natin is B1, so minus 0 over 8. Plus I1 natin, so B1 minus B3 over 1. Then plus 4 equals to 0. Get LCD, so 8. So we have B1, so plus 8B1 minus 8B3 plus 32 equals to 0. So simplify. So you have 9B1 minus 8B3 is equals to negative 32. So equation number 1 natin. Next. So KCL at node B2. Okay, so pumasok si 4, lumabas si I2, tsaka si 2IO. Ayan. So, simplify natin. Express again in terms of node voltages. So, I2 natin is, so V2 minus 0 over 2. Then plus 2IO. So, IO natin is V1. So, pababa. So, minus 0 over 8. Ayan. So, from this, ito magiging 1/4 na lang. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang LCD natin is 4. Okay? So, we have 16 equals to, so 2B2 plus, so again, 1/4 na lang to. So, 4 times 1/4, so 1. So, B1. So, from this, ang equation natin, so ayusin na lang. So, B1 plus 2B2 is equals to 16. Okay, equation number 2. So, then last, so KCL at node B3. Okay, so pumasok si I1, kaka si 2IO, lumabas si I3. So, simplify, I1 is B1 minus B3 over 1 plus 2 times IO natin again is B1 over 8 equals to I3. So we have B3 over 4. So simplify, LCD is 4. Again, ito 1/4 na lang. So magiging 4B1 minus 4B3 plus, so 1/4 times 4, so 1. Okay, equals to B3. So simplifying the equations, we have 5B1 minus 5B3 equals to 0. Equation number 3. Okay, so from this, we can calculate na for the node voltages. So equation 1, so 9B1 minus, so 0. 0B2 minus 8B3 equals negative 32. Equation 2, so 1B1, so 2B2, so 0B3 equals to 16. Then equation 3, so 5B1, so 0B2 minus 5B3 equals to 0. So we have negative 32, 24, negative 32. So 24 volts, then negative 32 volts. So pinapakwas na IO. So ito yung IO natin. So IO natin is P1 divided by 8. Negative 32 volts divided by 8 ohms. So IO natin is negative 4 amperes. Okay? Next. So find PO. Okay, so PO is the voltage across 2 amps. Okay? So dito nakalagay, kung mapapansin natin, dalawang node na lang. Okay, so B1 and B2. So dito actually node pa din siya kasi connection siya ng dalawang element. Pero ginagawa natin, basta nakaseries yung dalawang element, so pwede natin gawin na isang element lang siya. So bakit? Kasi isa lang naman cut na dadaloy dyan eh. Okay? So ayan. So from this, so lagay natin direction I1, force I2, I3, then I4. Okay? So dalawang node na lang yan. So KCL tayo at node B1. Okay, so lumabas lahat. Si I1, I2, I3, saka si 3. Okay, so we have I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus, sorry, plus 3 equals to 0. Express natin in terms of node voltages. Okay? So I1, so saan ang galing na nodes? So B1. Okay? So mapapasin kasi natin, so yung karaniwang kasi, diretso na sa ground. So minus 0. So dito dadaan pa sa isang voltage source. So titingnan nyo lang dito yung nilabasan na polarity. Okay, kaya ito negative. Kaya ito minus 12. Kapag nagka-balik na dyan, so minus plus, so ito magiging plus 12. Okay? So kaya B1, then tingnan natin yung lalabas na polarity. So minus 12. Then minus 0 kung tutusin yan kasi papunta sa ground. Okay? Over the resistance in between, which is 2 ohms. Okay, so plus I2. So B1 over 4 plus I3. So we have B1 minus B2 all over 8. So plus 3 equals to 0. So from this, so LCD natin is 8. Simplify, so we have 4 B1 minus 48 plus 2B1 plus B1 minus B2 plus, so 24 equals to, so 0. Okay? So, ayan. So, simplify natin. So, we have 7B1. So, B2 natin. So, minus B2. Okay, so negative 14 plus 24. So, negative 24. Lipat sa right side. So, magiging positive 24. So, ito yung magiging equation 1 natin. Okay? So, next. So, KCL at node B2. So, pumasok si 3 amperes, si I3. Lumabas si I4. Okay, expressed in terms of node voltages. So 3 plus I3 natin is, so P1 minus P2 over 8 equals to I4. So again, meron tayong dependent voltage source. Okay, so saan galing yung current natin? Sa P2. So tingnan natin yung lalabasan ng polarity which is positive, di ba? So we have plus 5 PO. Okay, over the resistance sa pagitan o resistance in between. So LCD is 8. So we have 24 plus P1 minus P2 equals to 8. P2 plus 40 B sub O. Okay, so ano ba yung magiging B sub O natin? So yung voltage BO natin is nandito. Okay, so titingnan kasi natin. Okay, itong part na yon. Okay, so ito yung B1. Then meron BO dito. So ito si plus minus. So BO. Ito yung ating B1. Then plus minus 12. Okay? So kung magkikbl kasi tayo dito, okay, so sige lagyan natin sa plus, minus. Okay, ito yung P1 natin. Kapag nag-KPL tayo dyan, so we have negative 12 plus PO, then plus P1 equals to 0. Okay? So from this, so yung PO natin is simply equals to, so 12 minus P1 equals to 0. Okay? Sorry, not equals to 0 pa. Wala lang. 12 minus P1 lang. Okay? So, ayan yung magiging value of BO natin. Pero dito, kung titingnan kasi natin, para mas mabilis tandaan. So, yung BO natin is nasa gitna, di ba? So, B1, so yung BO natin is equals to, saan galing? So, B1. Minus ang papunta dito sa 12. So, sa polarity lumabas, so negative 12, di ba? Pero dito kasi, kung ang current natin is pababa, mapapansin natin na yung current natin is papasok sa negative polarity. Kaya ito, i-multiply natin ng negative. Okay, kaya mangyayari dyan, 12 minus B1 din siya. So ito yung magiging value of BO natin. Okay? So para malinaw lang. So from this, pwede na natin substitute yung value of BO. So plus 40 multiplied by BO, so 12 minus B1. Okay, so simplify natin equation. So we have 24 plus B1 minus B2 equals to 8B2. So plus 40 times 12, we have 480 minus 40 B1. Okay, so simplify ko. So lipat ko lahat sa right side. So B1 plus 40, so we have 41 B1. So yung B2 natin, so negative 1 minus 8, so we have negative 9 B2. So yung 24, lipat ko sa right side. So 480 minus 24, so we have 456. So ito yung magiging equation number 2 natin. So from this two equations to unknown, so pwede natin makumpit si B1 and B2. So 5, 1. So equation 1, so 7B1 minus 1B2 equals to 24. Then 41B1 minus 9B2 equals to 456. Okay, so we have negative 10.9091. Isa, negative 100.3636. Yan. So B1, B2. So pinapakuha sa atin is the BO. So substitute na lang natin dito. So BO natin, so we have BO equals to, so 12 minus B1, so we have negative 10.9091. So BO equals to, so negative, negative, so positive na siya. So we have 22.9091 volts. Okay, so ito yung magiging final answer natin. Okay? So tandaan nyo sa mga polarity yung ginagawa natin kapag papasok sa lalabas. Okay? So next. So find VO. Okay, so V is the voltage across 2 amps. So lagay tayo ng mga node voltages. So V1, V2, and V3. So then current I1, I2, I3, saka dito I4. Okay? So mayroon din tayong dependent current source. Okay, so KBL at node V1. Okay, so pumasok si 3BO, lumabas si I1, si I2, tsaka si 2 amperes. So, yung BO natin is the voltage across 2 amps. So, dito, pwede natin sabihin na yung BO, parang sa supernode, parang KBL sa supernode, di ba? P2 minus sa papunta sa P3 equals to yung papasukan na polarity ng voltage source. So, positive to, so positive BO siya. So, ito yung magiging value of BO natin. So, substitute, you have 3 times, so B2 minus B3. Then yung I1, express natin in terms of node voltages. So we have B1 over 10. I2 natin is, so B1 minus B2 over 4 then plus 2. Okay, so from this, simplify natin, so 20. So 20 times 3, so we have 60. Okay, so 60b2 minus 60b3 equals to, so 2b1 plus, so 5b1 minus 5b2 plus 40. So simplify the equation, combine all like terms. 7b1 minus, ulipat ko, 65. b2, then plus 60b3 equals to negative. Lipat ko yung 40, negative 40. Equation 1. Okay? So next, sa B2 naman tayo. So KCL at node B2. Okay? So pumasok si I2, lumabas si I3, tsaka si I4. Okay? So express ulit natin sa node voltages. So P1 minus P2 over 4 equals to I3. So P2 over 5 plus I4 natin. So P2 minus P3 over 2. So simplify and see this 20. So we have 5B1 minus 5B2 is equals to 4B2 plus 10. B2 minus 10B3. Okay, so lipat ko lahat sa left side. So 5B1. So B2 natin. So minus 15. B2. Hindi pala, sorry. So may 14, 19. 19B2. Then plus, so 10B3 is equals to 0. So ito yung mga equation number 2 natin. Okay? Then last, node B3. So KCL at node B3. Okay, so pumasok si 2, tsaka si I4, tsaka si 4. Okay, equals to 0. So I4 natin, so B2 minus B3 over 2. So lipat ko to sa left side, so 6, so negative 6. So LC this 2, so we have B2 minus B3 equals negative 12. Okay, so ito yung mag-equation number 3 natin. So from this, we can calculate na for the value of B1, B2, and B3. Mode 5-2. Equation 1, so 7B1 minus 65B2. So plus 60B3 equals to negative 40. Equation 2, so 5B1 minus 19. B2 plus 10B3 equals to 0. Then 0B1 plus 1B2 minus 1B3 equals to negative 12. Okay, so we have negative 164.2105. 2105 volts. X. So negative 77.8947. 77.8947 volts. Then last, negative 65.8947. So pinapako sa atin BO. So nalagay na natin equation kanina. So BO is equals to B2 minus B3. So we have negative 77.8947. So minus negative. So plus na siya. So 65.8947. So BO natin is equals to, so negative 77.8947. So plus 65.8947. So we have negative 12 volts. Okay, so ito yung magiging final answer natin.